South African President Jacob Zuma has said that students who destroy property will go to court. For days now, some students have been protesting at universities across the country against the rise in tuition fees. Some property has been destroyed since the fees must fall movement started. President Zuma says that's a criminal offence. Police have been ordered to take any such cases to the courts. Zuma has appealed for people to work together and find a solution to the challenges of student funding and access. South Africa has been hit by a week of protests following a government announcement that universities could raise tuition fees by a maximum of 8%.